Moenie vir jou steek gevreet hou nie. Moenie sê nee, jy gaan dala. Moenie sê jy is nie bang om dood te gaan nie. There's nothing weak about suffering from depression. It's a health condition. If you have cancer, you don't give it to yourself. So if you have mental health issues and you've got severe depression or clinical depression, I want you to get help. If you feel you want to kill yourself, there are suicide watches. I want guys to know, because we have been brought up that it is a weakness if you have mental health issues, and we laugh at people and say, "Hoe kan hy man so swak is?" It's not that. This is something out of your hands. Get help. There's help. Don't be embarrassed. To hell with the ones that laugh at you. Book yourself in. Talk if you have a problem. Speak to somebody. This thing is serious. This thing is going to finish us. And I'm saying to you as your leader today, don't be shy. Tell me when you have mental health issues. We will point you in the right direction where to get help. Please. So, I see Tepso Olifant said it's his birthday tomorrow. Happy birthday for tomorrow, my second. Tristan West is also his birthday. Thank you, happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday to everyone. I just want to say happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. But I want to come back to the issue of mental health. It is not something to be ashamed of. It's a problem because men don't talk. Julle vroumense moet altyd ook aan jou man kyk en sê die man is nie lekker nie. Hy praat nie, sy bly skel en skel en skel. En sometimes julle manne, jy skel die vrou maar jy sien sy praat nie. She doesn't talk. She's bottling it up when you just shout. When the woman shout, the man is bottling it up. We as PA members has a duty to start seeing the signs of people. But the best way to prevent it is to treat people very well all the time. So I couldn't help but see an article in News 24. Hy vir handige newspaper. I'm so glad they're losing money. What? It's just a matter of time. They will close down. The chief chaplain says, you must get help. He's willing to help you. Just talk to him. This thing is serious. This thing is serious, please. I saw a newspaper article where they blame Jaden's girlfriend for Jaden's death. They said that they argued. Now, I'm going to say two things about that. I thought I must talk about this here. Couples do argue. You do know that. Ek argue dan by my deksel. Now, why must somebody else be held responsible for somebody else's death? That must not right. But if the media as the house start writing about blaming, saying this one is responsible, het sy vir hom doodgemaak. No, she didn't. So moenie julle ding net julle kan net skryf wat julle wil vir ons mense. I mean, like, she lost the father of a child, man. Where's your sensitivity? You want another death in that family. Tell me, News 24. The depression is no joke. I am saying to the leader of the PA, Patriots, don't be embarrassed. Talk to our chief chaplain. This thing is serious. This thing is going to finish us. There's nothing wrong in asking for help. There's everything wrong if you don't ask for help. Maar julle moet mense reg behandel. How do you lay something so heavy on somebody to say they're responsible? What? That child is going to read when he comes back because social media doesn't disappear. How do you put something like that on it? So I called her and I said to her, don't worry 1 second. Me, I'll support you through what you're going through. And the PA, we will support you what you're going through. Nobody's going to blame you for nothing. No one. We will stand by you as the Patriotic Alliance. And the threats that she's getting now, I'm dealing with those threats. She's getting threats. Facebook is full of hate. People blaming her. I mean, this is what you want. I'm going to pay for her to sue you guys. I'm going to pay that money for her to sue you. But I wanted her just to know today, I'm with my family tonight, the Patriots, and I want you to know we will stand by you. You didn't kill Jaden. Why should that be put on you? Why is it so easy for them to put it on a child like you? You're a child, man. You don't do that. Don't do that to people, man. So I'll support you. I want to say it publicly that you can sue them. Carla Remas, your daughter's so beautiful. Tell her I love her and it's a birthday. It was a birthday this week. I saw the message and happy birthday to your lovely, lovely princess. So